Welcome to this video abstract of our study titled Discretion in the Governance Work of Internal Auditors, Interplay between Institutional Complexity and Organizational Embeddedness, published in the British Journal of Management. This study is authored by Vikash Kumar Sinha from Aalto University School of Business, Marica Arena from Politecnico di Milano, and Eduardo Schiehll from HEC Montreal. To effectively monitor the actions of organizational agents, such as CEOs and managers, high-level governance actors, such as the board of directors and their subcommittees, rely on ground-level governance actors, for example, internal auditors or risk managers, for information. To provide relevant and high-quality information, ground-level governance actors need discretion and autonomy. While prior literature has examined the impact of organizational embeddedness and institutional complexity separately on the discretion and agency of ground-level governance actors, we contend that these actors are simultaneously embedded in both organizational structures and proliferating institutions, which jointly influence their agency and discretion. Therefore, in this study, we explore how the interplay between institutional complexity and organizational embeddedness affects the discretion exercised by ground-level governance actors, in our case, internal auditors, in justifying their governance work. Regarding institutional complexity, we consider the impact of three salient logics that affect internal audit work. Corporate logic focuses symbolically on justifying more risk-taking. Professional logic establishes the importance of independent and objective assurance, and regulatory logic requires internal auditors to pay attention to compliance with regulations. In terms of organizational embeddedness, we also analyze three factors that have been recognized in the literature: organization, staffing, and skilling of the internal auditing team. Utilizing three comparative cases of Basel internal audit teams at three banks, we demonstrate that internal auditors' ability to exercise discretion is facilitated when organizational embeddedness enables the cohabitation of multiple institutional logics at the organizational level. More specifically, we find that organizational staffing and skilling arrangements that increase socialization lead to the availability of multiple logics to internal auditors. In contrast, organizational staffing and skilling arrangements that focus on specialization led to the availability of one or few logics to internal auditors. In summary, we find that organizationally situated agency emerges as a key factor influencing internal auditors' approach to justifying their governance work. Our model of situated agency explicates the meso-level mediators of agency that accord partial autonomy to ground-level actors. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any further questions about this study, please don't hesitate to contact us.